morning po, speaking president po ng Air Force Elementary School. Good morning po, SPTA po ng Tacondo Elementary School, Margot.
Margot?
Tagawan po ng Margot.
Good morning po, SPTA president po ng LW Elementary School. Good morning everyone. I'm Susan Bula from Marshall District. Good morning po, SPTA President po. Good morning po, Francis Rada from Pineda Gutierrez.
Pineda Gutierrez.
Good morning po, Leo Chililangos po, Lodi lang, from Wayan Elementary School po.
Good morning po sa lahat. Ako po si Rosena C. Batuto po. SPTA teacher po ng Kawayan Elementary School. Thank you po.
Good morning po, ako po lang sa Junior, Pulong Kaputo Elementary School, SPTA President.
Kakutod. Iba si Kakutod sa Kutod. Iba.
Jerilyn Burwo po, RS po. RS, EPSA.
EPSA.
Good morning po, I'm Jen from RS po. DOD officer po. Good morning po. Ako po si Elan Fernanda, Google Elementary School, Kilas, Banglas. Blessed morning po. Vincent Sirayan sa Rosaya Education. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Elena Lacruz, SPTA President po ng Sito Target Integrated School.
Good morning to all po. My name is Oren Skiago from Northview Integrated School.
Good morning po. Maria Jose Tantia from Alberto Babalan Elementary School. Good morning po, sirs, ma'am. I'm Katrina C. Pablo sa Kalibitad Elementary School po. SPTA President.
SPTA President po ng Santa Teresita Elementary School.
Santa Fe. Santa Fe. Pero nandun siya kanina. Nag-meeting tayo. Nung nakaraan pa.
Merlin Meneses po, from Benelux Elementary School.
Nung kila Sir Elvis. Andun siya.
Good morning everyone. Angel Rosales po from San Ignacio Elementary School po. Good morning everyone. I'm Gemma Elederos, SPTA President po ng AMSEC Integrated School. Hello!
Nag-iisa ka? Dalawa pa rin sila.
Good morning po, Wani Pascual po from Angeles City Science High School, SPTA President.
Good morning po. Henry Tumalik from Godfrey Pinesa Memorial School. Good morning po. Teacher po dyan, SPTA President Mulman.
Hello po, good morning po. Dr. Clemente Candavid po, Managasat, SPTA President po.
Good morning po. May Nancy Reyes, Angeles City National High School, and Senior High.
Yes, ma'am. Sige po, okay lang yan. Balikin natin ba?
It's okay po. Patapos na po. Nang anong school?
Anong school po? Anong school?
Senior high school na po. Anong school?
Sa Pandan.
Andan.
Senior high school yun.
Bago na.
Hindi po. Pag-ibig ko man kaganda dito. Ayan. Lahat po nagpakilala na. Kasi baka